Hi, good evening everyone. Today we will be starting with the fourth video of Lightning Web Component. In the last three videos we have covered the Hello World component. Second we have covered the reactive property and data binding. And third we have covered the conditional rendering. I will be adding the links in the pin comment. You can refer that videos. In this video we will be learning about iteration in LWC. As soon as you heard about iteration, the loops will come in your mind. So you must have listened to music on Spotify. If you like some song, you want to listen the same song on loop and loop again. So here we will be using the same concept here, that is loops in LWC or iteration in LWC. It helps us in order to get the table drop down and many things where we need to get the multiple things at the same time. So now let's understand what is iteration. Iteration is basically a looping. If you need to iterate multiple items of collections, if you want to display a list of products, or if you want to a simple drop down, then you will be using the iteration here. So you might be thinking, can't we use iteration or for loops in JavaScript? Yes, we can use it, but LWC has given us a feature where we can iterate the elements in HTML itself. So if you go in on the traditional web development, you will not able to see any component where you can do iteration on the HTML. You have to take the help from JavaScript only in order to get the element get iterated. Whereas in LWC, you can directly go here and use the iterate. So for iteration, let's take an example of traditional for each. If I talk about for each in Apex or anything, so we write this for account A colon new records. So I just have completed the trigger, so my hands are on this very much. So this is a method through which we basically write a trigger, where account is the data type, A is a variable, and this is a basically a list. In a similar pattern, we are using this template for each list name. List name can be referred to new record here, and here, and further we also need an item through which we need an iteration. So we will be copying the A, that is variable, and in for item we will be using this. So this is as simple as that. We are converting this for each into the for each of this, where for each will be referring my new record, that is the list, and for item will be used for iteration, and it is just a variable through which we will be iterating over record. Now we have understand the syntax for each loop. So now let's take a real example. We will be taking a list of fruits and getting it displayed in our HTML component. So what we will be doing, we will be going on to JS, and here we will be creating one variable that name is fruits, and further it has multiple fruits. So let's take a array here instead of object. Let's take a object. So we have already got here apple, banana, orange, mango, grapes, but I also like the pomegranate. So pomegranate. I said it has a nice name, pomegranate. So let's delete this out. So our list of fruits have been created. Now we just need to display it in our HTML page. So what we will be copying? We will be copying this name. So since let's delete this part that we have already created. So we will be deleting. Here we will be adding fruits. So we have understand data binding in the last video, where I have elaborated how this curly braces word become a dynamic variable in JavaScript. So you can refer it from here, and here we will be looking FRT. So what I will be doing here, I will be taking a paragraph, and here key, key. So we are doing small mistake. So this should be in the curly braces here, because it is coming dynamically. So yes, this is the syntax. So what I will be doing, I will be just taking key is equal to FRT, and here also I will be taking curly braces. Here also I will be putting the FRT. So let's save this out. our component has been successfully done, and I have already updated the iteration file here. So now let's open our component. So here I have opened the yes, it has been successfully deployed. So let's go here, and after going here, what I will be doing, I will be just opening my sales app. So as soon as I click on sales, so let's do the dismiss here. I will be clicking edit page. So here you will be seeing there will be iteration in LWC component will come. So I will just directly land this component here. So as soon as I land this here, I haven't used the lightning card, that's why it is not coming with the white screen. So here you are able to see apple, banana, orange, mango, grapes and pomegranate, where we have written one line only, that is for apple. So using a loop and iteration method, we are able to do this. Now we have understood the simple example of arrays where we have taken the string. So now it is time to go one step forward and play around with the objects. So here we will be taking an object of contact, where we will be taking three things. First is ID, second is name, and third is email. So let's start with the same scenario. So first we will be landing onto the our JavaScript, and we will be commenting. We will be deleting this line, and let's take a object here, that is contact is equal to, I will be taking an array. In this object I will be taking three variables, not like this. We will be taking object like, we will be taking first object where ID colon 1, name Sachin, and yeah, similarly here I will be taking 4. So let's consider this example only. We will be taking a phone. I don't want to rewrite this again and again. Where Sachin, Rahul, Virat and Dhoni, these are the 4 cricket players that is available, and they have the phone number. So I don't have an original phone number, so we are just going with the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is our array which has ID, name and phone. So now we will be also be taking lightning card. So what I will be doing, I will be just deleting this. So let's start with our HTML thing. So first of all, what I will be taking, I will be taking a lightning card, lightning hyphen card, and here I will be taking title is equal to, let's do this, and let's close the lightning card first, so that we don't face an issue. So what I will be doing, and further we will be using a tab in order to save lightning card, so that we don't face any issue. So our lightning card has been saved. So now second thing what I will be doing, I will be updating the title of lightning card, details of Indian players, and further I will be taking a div. In the div I will be just iterating the contacts. Okay, so now you might be thinking, Krishu, now you want to display the items, how you will be able to display the items? So I will be just simply taking a paragraph where I will be keeping the key as ID, and further I will be keeping a contact dot name. Just we will be adding a contact dot id here as well, that is con dot id. Then I will be further taking dot, that is number 1, number 2, number 3, con dot, and here I will be adding phone number. So once we are done with this, we will be saving this out. I think we are facing some issue here, so let's delete this template. Yes, now our things are done. So just we will be deploying this component, and after deploying we will be just opening our Salesforce, and let's refresh this out, so that we are able to see how our list of contacts are coming in. So let's refresh it again. So now you will be seeing that your name is coming, just one extra div is coming. So let's delete that extra div as well. where that div is coming. So yes, this div is extra, so let's delete it. So as soon as we save it, so now you are able to see that now you are seeing that your loops data are coming properly without any issue. So this complete our today video. In the today video we have learned the usage of for each and for item in the loops. So in the next video we will be covering how event handling is done in JavaScript and LWC, where we will be using multiple events like on click, on change. Also we will be using revisiting the iteration when we will be using a data table and when we will be getting the data from there. So I hope you like my content. If you like my content, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more such notification. Have a nice day.